Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can fix your app pinning feature in Poco smartphone. You can see I just back it and home screen in the home screen, and it is not backing up. You can see I am tapping on it and it is pinned app. You can see when I just tap on it, it is say to unpin this app, touch and hold back and overview buttons. You have to see this. Here it is the back button and here it is the recent button. You have to click on both at the same time like this. You have to just press it and long press this, and just simply open your phone and press back. You can see the app pinning feature is disabled successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.